Whether it's freezing cold in the winter or dreadfully hot in the summer, Midwestern weather may come as no shock to Central Illinois residents, but it does bring up questions on how this extreme weather may help or hurt farmers in the community. Everyone may agree recent weather is a bit abnormal, but while the constant battle between warm air and Arctic cold air creates this wide range of degrees, WEIU contributor and meteorologist Cameron Craig says this routine in weather is nothing new.
This has always been around. In fact, polar vortex was mentioned back in 1853. And so it's always been around, but we only notice it when it gets super cold, like recent.
And when the air starts to get colder, the ground is most likely to be frozen. Craig says this is considered a pretty positive circumstance.
A good long period of extremely cold temperatures that can freeze the ground is most beneficial. When you have a winter that is not cold for an extended period of time and doesn't get the ground frozen beyond 6 inches, then the pest population increases for the summer.
Eastern Illinois University Associate Geography Professor Christopher Langen agrees and says the cold temperature really only affects farming when it comes down to how deep the soil can actually freeze.
It's really only affecting the soil because there aren't any crops out there in the fields right now. There is winter wheat, but that's gone dormant since the colder winter temps came around, the below freezing temps, nighttime temps came around.
And winter is not over. It'll be a few more months before farmers start spring planting to see the effects of the season's impact. In Charleston, I'm Dara McGee for WEIU Newswatch.